Hello everyone, my name is Aidan Earl. In the group video, my group mates and I explained how those who contracted COVID-19 were more likely to suffer from loss of smell. In this, I'm going to explain further analysis into possible variables that could affect sense of smell other than COVID-19. According to the study by Teeter et al., it is very common for people to use popular ADHD medications such as Adderall and Vyvanse to help focus on homework and tests. These same medications have also been known to decrease smell functions, which could possibly skew the data we have for the smell tests. This discovery was found in a study by Schiffman et al. Birth control is another form of medication popular among college-age women. In a study by Kohlendorfer et al., it was found that women on birth control had significantly better results in identifying odors and perceiving odor strength. This can also skew data. Because of the prevalent use of these ADHD medications, I decided to look to see if the overall use of medications would show a negative impact on the sense of smell compared to those off medication, and also if the use of birth control in women would show a positive effect on sense of smell. Of the 188 participants we had, 71 were male. On the Smell Study website, participants were to use and report the 8 and 3 item tests as directed. They would be asked to identify the odor's intensity, and the odor's pleasantness. They were also asked to report if they had felt allergy symptoms, what their race and ethnicity were, their smoking and vaping status, and what medications they were specifically on while they were testing. I conducted 2 independent samples t-tests here to find if there were differences in correct odors reported and perceived odor intensity for those who were using medication and for those who weren't. Results showed no significant difference in the means for either the odors identified or the perceived odor intensity. These are displayed here on the bar graphs. I conducted another 2 independent samples t-tests to find if there were differences in correct odors reported and perceived odor intensity for women who were on birth control or off birth control. Results showed no significant differences in the means for either the odors identified or the perceived odor intensity, and these are also displayed here by the bar graphs. As shown, there were no significant differences found in odors identified in the 8-item kit or their perceived intensity, whether the participants were on or off medications or on or off birth control. The medication results could have been affected by the fact that in Teeter's study, it was stated that those amphetamine-based ADHD medications were popularly used unprescribed, which could have affected the data if there were not any medications reported being used. The birth control results could be because the study by Kohlendorfer was looking at the conjunctive, progesterone, and estrogen pill use rather than female contraceptives as a whole. Further studies should delve deeper into these possibilities. These results, however, show that for this study, that COVID-19 was the significant reason for a diminished ability to smell. And here are my references referenced. Have yourselves a good day, and thank you for your time.